All right, I have a Chevy Trailblazer, and if you don't know what Chevrolet stands for, it's cheap heap, every valve's rusty, oil leaks every time. So I used to work for the Japanese auto company, so we made fun all the time of the American, like forward is found on road dead, and then backwards is driver returned on foot. So yes, we had our funny things. But anyway, okay, so the key is in here. It's one of these cars where I don't know where the hell the key is. And the car starts, but the key is down here. Okay, so I just have to give him my driver's license. This only has 2,600 miles on it. Whoa, air. Hello. Do not need that much air. Okay, it feels glorious here. It's not humid or anything. It's 60 degrees. Okay, so this is great. Let me check the mirrors. Got to adjust the mirrors right now. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to talk to you while I'm doing this. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the mirror here, which you do with this little console thing here. I'm gonna sit all the way back comfortable. Can I reach the pedal? Yes, that's fine. Okay, and this one, press the other window. That one's a little low. There we go. Rear view mirror is a little low. This person like 9'7" who was in here before. It's just like, what the hell? Okay, that's good. Yeah, I got a turquoise. Look, check out the color of my car. It's this color. It's like the color of my third Nissan Versa that I had, which had a valve issue, and then they gave me the red Nissan Kicks that I have now. Okay, I'm getting out of here and driving, I think 20 minutes to the hotel. I'm gonna check in. It's already 5 o'clock. I lost 2 hours. Denver is 2 hours behind. Same time difference as Albuquerque, but 2 hours behind the East Coast time. So yeah, let me put the phone away. Let me just get out of here. Just have to get to 65 South, and then I know the way after that. Okay, my phone is paired, which is useful. So let me get the map. Where am I at? Where's the map? Okay. I don't know. This is home. Where's the map, dude? No, it's music. Map? Maybe it's not going to show up. Maybe it's been like discontinued. But anyway, okay, for some reason I have very little Wi-Fi. I just want to get out of this parking lot. Okay, yeah, I don't have any holders, so I can't like talk to you. Like, so I need to go buy a little phone holder, which maybe I don't need. Maybe I can just plug the phone in and be able to like not talk to you guys and just use the Bluetooth or the whatever. I don't know. Let me figure it out. All right, that was a really pretty drive. There's a person in their private plane. Yeah, just to the middle of nowhere now. I'm just kidding. It looks like this everywhere. It's so green and pretty. No mountains though, very flat. Anyway, so I got a Chevy Trailblazer rear wheel drive. And okay, so I'm staying at the Candlewood Suites. I have a little kitchen and everything. I should have. All these hotels are like brand new. It's great. So I'm in Greenwood, so I'm only like 15 minutes from the college. So I'm gonna go to the supermarket after this, but let me go. I should probably take my stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I gotta check in, then I'll go to the supermarket, get groceries, and then I think I'm gonna go in the pool. They have a swimming pool here apparently. So I might be able to open my window. I saw somebody open a window. Oh, I miss New Mexico for the fact that I can open windows. All right, I am all checked in. They didn't need to see my vehicle because it's Indiana and it's only $10 incidentals. This is the gym. I might just use this, although I want to do stair climber. I don't like the elliptical, so that's it. So maybe I'll go to Planet Fitness tomorrow, I don't know. I feel like all I do is just drive rental cars and stay in hotels, which is the complete opposite of van life. Because I had a hotel for a week in Houston because I had to be on the other side of town. So I wasn't even at my house. I was just staying in a hotel for 10 days because I had so much to do. Because I need to be close to Harriet's school. Okay, I'm here, 326, top floor. Nice view of the of the grass. Hang on, let's see what this room is like. Let's do a proper reveal. Okay, in we go. Oh, this is nice. It's small. Closet. And there's me. Okay, great. I can use the restroom. I gotta christen the place, as they say in the religious circles. Okay, let me grab my bag. This is beautiful. What a nice little apartment. I just need a tiny house this big. All right, let's do a quick room tour. Freezer. I can stay here for a whole week. Big fridge. This you can also borrow. You don't even have to pay. You can also borrow a toaster. I want toast. I've been craving toast for like 2 years because I don't have a toaster. Anyway, you get a few things. I didn't bring a mug. I need to get it. Oh no, I've got my Yeti, but that keeps it way too hot for too long, so I can't really drink an immediate cup, and these cups are too small. Okay, so I need to go to the supermarket. I need to get a big mug. Maybe I'll just leave it and donate it. Microwave. Then you have this, which I guess I can use to boil water. I guess I don't have to, I don't think I have to buy, well, yeah, I'll buy water anyway. But yeah, this stuff will taste like coffee, and I don't really like the hot water. It's not enough hot water anyway. But this one I can use to boil water. And that way I can have tea without having to buy more stuff. In here, utensils, oh, dropped my phone. Frying pan. This is great. Okay, then we have a big ass table, which is great. I've got to do, let's see, I've got to do my call with Harriet at, it's 5:30. I've got 2 hours before I have to do my Zoom call, which is great. There's kind of a queen size bed, not a very big bed. And this is like an extended stay. So this is like where you live, like, you know, if you're like in corporate housing, which is, you know, fine. It's got enough stuff. Nice big bathroom though. Very nice big bathroom. Big mirror. There's me. Ouch, shit. So I fall over and hurt myself. Anyway, yeah, nice big bathroom. I'm only here for 2 nights, and tomorrow is a big full day, and then Saturday I've got to go down and see Tim in the morning, and then probably check out when I leave instead of coming back. I might come back because it's only like an hour round trip, and I don't normally spend too long there at the cemetery, but yeah, I don't know. And then maybe come back here, swing back through here to pick everything up, since I'll have food and stuff, and that'll just probably be easier. So yeah, let me go to the supermarket right now, and then come back and unpack everything and call my daughter, and then just chill. There's no swimming pool here, and the gym kind of sucks. So I guess I'm not going to go in the swimming pool. I was like, why does it show a swimming pool? Damn it. Anyway, maybe it was the other hotel I stayed at last night I don't think they had a swimming pool. I don't know. It's all false advertising. Okay, let me go. Let me go get groceries. Is me. This is pretty cool. So they got crock pots. They've got George Foreman grills, blenders, all this stuff, skillets, juicer. That's funny. And then board games and a DVD player. Awesome. A little business area. Okay. All right, I need a big ass coffee mug. Hello, gorgeous. That's about the right size, and it says the right thing that I like to hear all the time, which none of you lot say anyway. Okay, I was again like blessed because I'm in that part of the country. Then there's insulated ones that are like $16. They're not big enough. I need at least like 20 ounces. This is like 16. I think that should be fine. That's the biggest they have. Okay, yeah, I'll get this one. I could probably figure out a way to take it home with me. I like this one. Oh, there's a J, but that's too small, see? This one says positive vibes, but they look like pigs. I was like, if they were pigs, it would be cute, but they're not. Yeah, this one is big, but it says blessed, and I'm not like that kind of person. I'm, get struck by lightning. This SpongeBob as well. Strawberry shortcake. That one's $6. Okay, I'll just get this one here. That's fine. I just need like a coffee mug. I kind of want the bigger one though. Maybe I should, I don't know what this one is. That one, it doesn't say. I can't read it. I don't know what size it is. 16 ounce? And what size is this one here? This one is also 16 ounce, so that's the same size. Okay, that works. All right, I've got orange juice, which I think is on sale. I only need like enough for 2 days. Orange juice, and then I need a big plastic cup for my orange juice. It's a shame I didn't bring any of this stuff. I didn't think of like stuffing my underwear into it. Oh, there's like an American flag one. This one's big. That's a 20 ounce. Maybe I'll get that one instead, because that one is bigger. It's heavy though. That one's 20 fluid ounces, because it's like Memorial Day weekend. And that one says hello gorgeous. This one might be better. Patriotic. I could just go with stars or stripes. They don't like each other. But that one's really heavy. I don't feel like that's any bigger. Maybe it is. That's 4 ounces bigger. How? How is that 4 ounces bigger? Sorry, it's like the thing with the, yeah, maybe it is 4 ounces bigger. And that's only like, I don't know how much this is. This one's $6.99, so it's $1 more for 4 ounces more. That would be better, because I drink big ass cups of tea. I need a cup for orange juice. Just a plastic cup. Yeah, come shopping with me and copyrighted music. Okay, I think I'll be fine. I've got cups in the, I don't know, I should get something like this, but it's glass and I can't have glass in the van. Oh, look. It's a wooden cereal bowl. No, it's not big enough. It looks big, but it's got like a really thick rim. This one, that's too big. I'm still on the quest to find the perfect bamboo bamboo cereal bowl. Okay, I guess I'll just not get, I think I'll just drink whatever glass, like 3 glasses of whatever ones they have in the hotel, which are smaller. Now I need oat milk and creamer, so I want to get like the smaller oat milk because I'm only here for 2 days. This is what it's like when you don't have a van. You have to like rebuy everything or whatever. Yeah, I don't want to get like a big ass one. I need to get creamer, which hopefully is on sale. Oat milk creamer, so expensive. Oatly is $3.99 if I buy like a whole ton, which I don't need. Actually, I've got one of the Chobanis, which if I buy 5 products, then it's going to be they're going to be on sale. So let me see if I can get a couple more things here. Good morning from a very rainy Friday. It's only going to rain for a little bit. It's so green out here. It's actually nice to see rain because we don't really see rain in New Mexico. If it rains, it's like, you know, it just kind of rains for a minute and then it dries away. Okay, so I'm going to lunch. It's early lunch today. So it is 10:18. Okay, so I'm got like a 20-minute drive, like just down the road to my college town. I slept really well, but then I forgot like that I had a rental car, and I'm like, dude, where's my car? Just proof of life. So I had to put myself together, because when I go to the dinner tonight, they're gonna be like, this is Jenny, she lives in a van. I'm like, I do use my degree, kind of. So anyway, but yeah, this is the car tour right here. Anyway, I'm very bright. I don't normally wear like anything but like black and gray because I have a heart made of steel wrapped in barbed wire encased in iron. Ever since Jeff died, I'm like, screw the world. No, actually, I just I get dusty and dirty a lot, so when I have like other shades of hue, it's like when I have other like colors of clothing, I tend to spill food on it. It's like a magnet for dirt and food. So if I wear black or gray, then my clothes stay clean, as far as I know. Anyway, so that's me. My thumbnail. Just kidding. Such a door. I'm like, oh, I'm a micro influencer. So thank you both of you that watch my channel. No, just kidding. No, I appreciate it. It's growing. It's organically growing. I don't have to pay for thousands of followers like some people do. So anyway, hit that notification bell. Okay, so let me go drive 20 minutes. I'm gonna have a nice kind of cafe lunch, kind of a light lunch, because I've got this dinner tonight.